I tried Sarana investment app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. At first, Sarana investment looked like another regional app promising easy returns. But after 7 days of testing it, I discovered something unexpected. It's quietly one of the most practical investment tools for beginners in emerging markets. The onboarding was smooth. Within minutes, I linked my account and saw a clean dashboard that offered both conventional and Sharia-compliant investment options. That flexibility immediately stood out. Day 2, I explored its automatic investment plans. You can start with as little as, and the app spreads it across funds that match your risk profile. What impressed me most was how transparent it was. Every fund came with performance history, fees, and even educational notes in local language. By midweek, I noticed steady performance, especially in mixed asset funds. My small test portfolio was up slightly, around 0.7%, but the insight I gained was worth far more. Here's the twist. Most people think investment apps in developing regions are unreliable or overly complex. Sarana proved the opposite. It's simple, secure, and backed by licensed partners. Even better, it teaches users the why behind each recommendation. By day 7, I realize a real value of Sarana isn't flashy profits, it's accessibility. It helps first-time investors take that crucial first step without feeling lost or intimidated. The shocking truth? Sarana isn't just an app, it's a bridge, opening the world of smart investing to people who've been left out for too long.